Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Add the JWT bearer package and store a strong secret in app settings. Now create configuration entries for issuer and audience so tokens are verifiable. Next, register iConfiguration in program. CS and read the secret into a symmetric key. Once done, add the authentication builder immediately. This starts the pipeline and prevents order mistakes later. Make sure to use a long random secret and avoid checking it into source control. That protects your signing key from being leaked. Now wire up the middleware. Call services. Add authentication with JWT bearer defaults and configure token validation parameters using your issuer, audience, and symmetric key. You must enable validate issuer signing key and validate lifetime so expired or tampered tokens fail. Then implement events if you need custom logging or error messages. Once the services are configured, add app, use authentication and app, use authorization in the correct order before mapping protected endpoints. Make sure endpoints have authorize or require authorization policies so validation actually runs. Finish by implementing a secure token issuance endpoint. Validate credentials, build claims, sign with your symmetric key and HMAC SHA-256, then return a JWT with a reasonable expiration. Once done, protect routes and test with authorization. Bearer token. If something breaks, first inspect the authorization header format, then verify secret/key consistency between issuer and validator. Check clock skew and token lifetime settings. Make sure audience and issuer strings match exactly. If errors
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.